Hello student, we are discussing about the higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Itself topic is defined higher order, and that means order of the differential equation is the more than 1, and degree, because the linear, and degree of the linear differential equation is the 1. This type equation may be two types: homogeneous and non-homogeneous. If homogeneous type linear differential equation, then we can solve only complementary function. But if the non-homogeneous differential equation, then solve two parts. One is the complementary function, one is the particular solution. Now, first write general formula of the higher order linear differential equation with the constant coefficient. D to the power n by d to the power x to the power n a1 d n minus 1 dxn minus 1 a2 d to the power n minus 2 y dxn minus 2 an y equal to q, where n is the order of the differential equation and a1 a2 etc. an are the constant, and q is the function of the x. For easy to solve this differential equation, we can write as a place of d by dx equals to d. D is called the differential operator, and reciprocal of the d 1 by d, that means called the integral operator. As per we discussed, we can write this differential equation fd y equal to q. If q equals to 0, then differential equation is called the homogeneous differential equation. That means fd y equals called the homogeneous type differential equation, linear differential equation. If q is not equals to 0, the non-homogeneous differential equation. Now discuss about the how to solve homogeneous linear differential equation. That means our standard form of the homogeneous linear differential equation is the f dy equals to 0. First we find auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation in place of d, auxiliary equation in place of d, you can write m. That function is the fm equals to 0. This m, that means different roots is depend upon the order of the differential equation. If order is the 2, then we getting 2 roots. If order is the 3 roots. Then what is the nature of the roots and the complementary function? Nature of roots. If nature of roots and complementary function. Nature of roots may be 5 types in general. May be real and distinct, may be real and repeated, may be real and 3 roots are equal, may be roots are complex and real, may be repeated complex roots. Depend upon the roots, we can write the, I can give one example. Suppose that one function is given d square equal to 2d plus 1 y equals to 0. This is the homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient, order 2. Now the auxiliary equation of this differential equation is d equals to place of the m, that means m square plus 2m plus 1 equals to 0, that means 2 roots are m1 minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 2, that means repeated roots. This repeated roots, then complementary function, we can write c1 e to the power minus x, c2 e to the power minus x. We can write this way: c1 plus x, c2 e to the power minus x. This is the repeated root. If the 5 different formula of the writing of the complementary function, then application of this differential equation is majorly in the finding explaining the Newton's law of the second law of the motion, electricity. Student, thank you.